Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in your pages in Adobe InDesign. So first you will need to open your InDesign software and follow these simple steps. Basically, to add your page numbers you will just need to create or to add and insert a special character. So to add characters we will need to start and insert a text box here. So now we can add the text that we want, and as I said, we want to insert a special character. So we are going to head to the type menu or the type tab and go to insert special characters and go to markers, click on current page number. So basically this is my current page number, and you can add some formatting to it, like the size of the character, also the font. You can have all the editing that you can to do to paragraphs in Adobe InDesign. But this method is kind of unpractical, non-practical, because you will need to add the number pages for each page, and maybe you will need to start copy and paste to each page. So there is another way to facilitate this task by just adding or editing the master pages. We can number our page easily in Adobe InDesign. So now we are going to the master page, and as you can see, all my pages are a master applied. That means this a master page will affect all the pages that are a master page. So I'm going to add go back, and here I'm going to the pages and add some for example random pages, and you can see that all the editings that I will do to the master page will be done to all the pages automatically. So as we did previously, I'm going to add some special character, which is the current number page, and give it the fonting and the formatting that you want. You can give it colors, like have it a color, and for example add a marker to or a decoration to your page numbers, or here like adding the stroke, giving it some colors, for example like this, the width, changing it. I'm going to give it a 4, and then you can just have for example select all this and copy and paste it here in the second master page here, and I will have it like this, and just as an example. So basically now we are going to head to our pages, and as you can see we will see all the pages taken the same master page editings, etc. So basically you can see that all the pages take the number of the numbers associated to them. So this is the second one, third one, and you will see that is the fourth, 5, and the 6th page. So basically this process didn't took a long time, and it is an automatic process, and this way you will have your page numbers added to your document in Adobe InDesign. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.